Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2018 Dodge Durango GT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.6-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust. You do get a little tow hitch here with rear park sensing, backup camera, a nice blacked out vehicle, which adds a nice sleek look to it, with heated door mirrors. You do get turn light indicated mirrors. We do get a remote start with this vehicle, which is perfect for those cold winter months. License plate bracket, and that nice Dodge Grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you quite a bit of cargo space. Even with your third row up, to collapse, all you have to do is lift this up, and they will go up. You just gotta push them down. Cargo cubbies, 12-volt hooks and doodads. You do get your storage underneath as well, which is pretty nice. More hooks on this side. You do get armrests and cup holders for the back passengers as well, which is all pretty nice. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space with leathering on the door. Got a step to go to the back, you just collapse it like this, will go down. Plenty of legroom with the seats fully back, with the 2 passengers with the same leathering, all pretty nice. We do get floor mats, carpeted interior, if I didn't say. Little center console here with cup holders and storage. Got your own climate controls, USBs, 150-volt heated captain's chairs, and looking above me, we do get our climate controls up here as well, with fan, temperature, all that jazz, which is all pretty handy. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Memory seating for up to 2 drivers. We got our lights, parking brake, gas cap, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 113,978 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-up steering wheel. You got your cruise control, paddle shifters, toggle free screen, phone, voice, modes and volumes behind the steering wheel. And looking here, we do get our digital RPMs, which you can change to your digital speedometer, which is pretty nice. We do get our vehicle info, such as your oil temp, fuel economy, trip B, auto stop, auto start, audio, messages, screen setup, and all that fun stuff. To my right, we get this cool looking gear select, cup holders, and storage. You get more storage here as well. Let me see, with upper and lower storage, you get a 12-volt down here too. Let's take a look at the upper. Pretty handy. More storage here with some outlets, another 12-volt USB, aux. Pretty cool. Engine starts up. Infotainment system with your climate controls with dual climate. You got your park sensing you can turn on or off. Auto stop, auto start. Eco mode off or on. Sport mode. Traction. Storage below. Above me, we do get a garage door transmitter. You got your liftgate and our features for our little sunroof. Looking here, we do get our navigation, which is all pretty handy. For your audio, you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. Got your media controls here. aux, USB 1 and 2. You get your climate controls up here as well with heated front seats, heated steering wheel. Any apps you may download show up right here as well. Wi-Fi hotspot, travel link, your backup camera, which I'm just going to go into. Pretty high definition. Pretty nice. On one. You got your all here too. You can fold your headrest in the back so you can see what you're doing. Navigation again, and your phone settings. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GC81587A, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.